How to fix phone touch not working on some areas. Hey everyone, welcome back. If certain areas of your phone screen does not respond to touch, like the top, bottom, or corners, you don't need to panic. This issue is common on your Android devices and in many cases it can be fixed without a repair. Let's go step by step. First, restart your phone. Long press on the power button and then tap on the restart button here. So what it does is it's going to basically clear temporary system glitches that can affect the touch responses. The next step is to remove screen protector or case. Poor quality or cracked screen protectors often cause dead touch zones on your phone screen, so remove it and test the screen before replacing it. Once that is done, you can increase your touch sensitivity in certain devices as well. For that, go to Settings and find Display. Once you're on Display Settings, scroll down and find this option called Accidental Touch Protection. Make sure that this is disabled. And then on the touch sensitivity, just make sure to enable this toggle. Increase the touch sensitivity of your screen for while using the screen protectors. Once you have done that, it will increase your screen protector touch sensitivity. Once that is done, you can also try to boot your phone in safe mode. For that, long press on the power button, hold on to your power off button, and you'll find the safe mode here. Just tap on it to start your phone on the safe mode. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.